Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute Apple Maps. So of course, let's open Apple Maps. Of course you can do this by turn off audio on your phone. But also, let's write some direction. Okay, let's say this one. Then, right here we have presets. This is for the car. Let's click go. And right here at the right side we have the speaker icon. Click on it and we mute it. If you then select another direction, you will have it muted. But you need to do this for another preset also. Let's say for the walking. As you saw, I muted for the car, but I still have it unmuted for walking. So if you want to walk using Apple Maps and you want to mute it, you need to also mute it for the walk. And now let's select another location and I will prove that we still will have it muted. So let me write something like something like this. I click go. As you can see, I have it muted. And let's check for the walk. The same. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.